Welcome guys to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you guys how we put our aquarium together, our 75-gallon fish tank aquarium. We're going to show you guys the filters today. We're going to show you the stand that we use. We're going to show you guys the fish that we're actually putting into the aquarium, everything. So please stay tuned if you're excited to see how it came out. So this is the stand that we chose. We think it's great because it has doors on them, right? And which is great for, especially if you have little kids. You know, our toddler, he likes to touch things. So if it's closed, it's so much better to conceal the filter, to conceal all of the products that we use for the aquarium. So this is the stand that we have. Highly recommended. So right now you see Junior, he's looking for cracks in the actual structure of the stands because we don't want there to be any cracks, and we don't want our fish tank to get ruined because we don't have a sturdy foundation. Okay guys, this is the 75-gallon Aqueon aquarium, guys. So Junior and I, we're going to unbox it right now. Now it's time for us to put it on top of our stands. So as you can see, you can kind of see like the full length of it. It looks amazing already, and we didn't even put anything inside yet. So we didn't set up the aquarium yet. It's just on the stand and it looks amazing. So it's time to put the background on it to give it a real under the sea feel. Hope you guys like it. We love it. Oh my gosh, it came out so great. So a quick tip. It's great to use this mounting solution here. It's called Sea View. Let me show you guys. And it helps with the bubbles in the actual background, but it's also great for you guys to use like a card to kind of fish out all the bubbles as you're applying pressure and like giving a little resistance to the paper, and then apply it as you're taking out the bubbles with the card. It's time to install our Fluval FX4 canister filter. It's super heavy, but it's one of the best, okay? We don't want to allow filter. So this is one highly recommended filter, so we're gonna install it, baby. Yeah. So with this filter, we're going to attach this hose and we're going to put it inside of our cabinet, and we're going to feed the holes through the back and into the aquarium. Finally adding the water to the aquarium. As you guys can see, Junior is helping us out here. We're adding all the water. The Fluval filter is already positioned, as you guys can see.
This is black substrate,
and we're going to add it to the bottom of the tank to give it a nice foundation at the bottom. And this is 20 pounds. We have 2 packs of these, so we're gonna add them. For those of you guys who don't know what substrate is, it goes on the bottom of the aquarium, and it's like gravel, right? Substrate is the Magic Aquarium aquatic substrate, and I've used this previously, and literally there is no residue usually, so usually I rinse it out, but last time I did it and I didn't even need to. So this time I'm just literally putting it straight in, and I'm going to scoop up the residue at the top of the surface of the water after. heater, and it is for a 75-gallon tank like we have, and as you guys can see, it's 300 watts. We're going to place it strategically in the tank so that our aquatic animals have a perfectly heated aquarium to live in. So let's add our heater. We finally got all of the water is in the tank. The tank is full up to the rim. And the heater, guys, by the way, has been placed in the tank and it's working as we speak. Okay, guys, we added this beautiful hinged lighting system at the top with glass covers, and for us to open and close when we're feeding the fish. So beautiful. And now we're gonna let the tank sit and everything to heat properly for about a week until we wait for the fish to arrive. So guys, our Oscar came. Finally, it was delivered, and we took it out of the bag because we want to make sure we get rid of the dirty water, and we want to make sure it can breathe, you know. And we're also using the drip system to acclimate the fish into the tank. Super excited. Okay, so Carolyn is scooping up the Oscar with the net so we can put him into the aquarium after we've done the drip system.
Whoa! You have to get out,
Make sure
buddy.
you let him out, okay? Let him out of the net.
Out of the net. Get out.
Go the other way, Carolyn. Perfect.
Ooh, he's acclimated.
Yay! We excited, guys. Looks so great.
Oh,
look at him.
I'm so excited because our alligator gar was just delivered. Slip system to get him acclimated.
Junior's gonna scoop his alligator gar and put him into the big tank.
Got him.
You got
Got
it, babe.
Oh.
You got it.
Oh. Uh-oh.
You got it.
I got this.
Hold it tight.
It's a scary thing, the back one. Alright, we're gonna have to
Hold it tight, yep.
like that.
Hold on. There we go. Hold on.
Dude,
Get the back, his tail.
his tail's gonna be a big problem. It's too strong. A tail like this
You
is
gotta get your big boy arms on.
It's stuck, it's stuck.
You go ahead.
Get all the water out.
You did it, babe.
Ooh, I think I'm gonna have to order a big net.
Yes.
A bigger net. Oh, chill. Chill, let go. Let go of the net. Jeez.
Guys, so this is one of my favorite fish. So we ordered a medium of this kind of fish that we're gonna show you. But look at what they sent. Oh my god. Red tail catfish. Oh my gosh. Like huge. So just to kind of like show you guys, look at my thumb, my hand, right? Bigger than the size of my hand and Junior's hand together. Okay, it is so beautiful. I can't believe how big it is, and I'm excited. Were you excited, babe?
Definitely.
Okay, so we're doing the drip system, as you guys know, and we're going to introduce him to his new home. In there with his two friends. Here, put his two friends in there, so it's definitely my turn. My turn, guys. Two. He is a fighter, so we know it's not going to be easy at all. So I have to be very careful. him in to the net because he's definitely going to splash. He calmed down a lot. Wow, I'm surprised. I'm proud of him. Wow, guys! Woo! Oh my gosh, he's so happy. The 75-gallon is really big. All right, guys. So this is the final look. Everything is done, guys. Now we have our light fixture at the top. They are so happy and excited. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. And Junior, we want to say
thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.
We will be getting a larger tank once the fish outgrow this tank, so stay tuned.